She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the Mofajang hair wax stuff. I don't know why you guys like this stuff so much. Y'all liked it so much I had to figure out what the hype was about. You may notice my hair is red. No, I did not change it. This is an old color because this was filmed in July. And I held on to it and I was like, maybe y'all will want to see it. I don't know. So I'm just going ahead and applying this kind of liberally. My hair is already styled. Like I already have my leave-in and I already have, I think I use a custard this time. And then I'm just applying the color pretty evenly to all of my hair.
How you get so fly?
I'm not even gonna lie to you. Trying to cover up my red undertone with this gray was the challenge I was trying to face. I wanted to cover up the red so you really couldn't see it even as an undertone, and so I just kept applying and kept applying so you can really only see the silver. And I think it was right there where I really messed up. But I didn't stop. I didn't stop there, so I'm gonna let this go ahead and play out for you guys.
Shifted higher than the ceiling, and it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar.
I went crazy at the roots. I really lost my mind. I didn't want no red to show. I wanted this to be like I actually dyed my hair. And it's not the same as hair dye. I don't know if y'all realize that. But I sure realized that after applying all of this wax all over my hair.
Sugar, how you get so fly?
You might ask, Jalen, why did you keep going when you realized you just had a lot of product? And the reason is, the curls was popping. The definition was still going crazy. So I was like, commit. I don't do anything halfway. So I'm like, baby hairs, check. Roots, check. Everything was a go. Although I did manage to get this hair wax everywhere, it washes off really easily. It's all over my hands. It's a little bit on my face. You see, I came prepared with the towel so it wouldn't get on my shirt. But it washes off easily, so if you don't know how to color inside the lines or inside your hairline, then you should still be good.
Sugar, how you get so fly? fly.
Wow, I'm still at it. I told you nothing halfway. I was like, everything, the perimeter, all the hair must be silver, gray, whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and diffused my hair. I actually don't have a clip of that, but I did diffuse it. This stuff flakes, for real, for real. Not even gonna lie to you. You're gonna see it soon. It flakes.
You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get
So guys, after trying the gray color, I got a pretty gray tint. But the crazy thing is, I'm not sure if I really like it or not. It's definitely different. I feel like Storm off of X-Men is definitely a different look for me. Honestly, I don't really know if I'm gonna keep it. I know I don't look old because I have this like baby face, but I have like legit, it really turned out great. This is so wild to me. So I really don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I think it just made my hair more flat. Like I wasn't able to get as much volume as I usually get. It was pretty easy to apply. It was just a tad bit messy, like your hands get all like gray or whatever color you decide to dye it, but it doesn't stain at all. And then from what I've noticed, the color flakes a little bit, but it doesn't actually like come off on your hands once it's dry, so that's good. I guess I just wanted to show you guys my results. This was just me experimenting or whatever, having a good time seeing, and I was like, okay, let me show you guys what I'm working with. Let me know what you guys think about this. This is definitely a different look for me, and to be honest, I like my red more, but this was like fun to just try real quick. Like I said, don't know if I'll be keeping it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.